It's just a little bit windy outside. Just a little. It's like rattling everything in here. I'm on my way over here to Walgreens. My car was pushed to the left and the right. It was crazy. This is so bad. Across the street over there was it's a Safeway, and it used to be Albertsons before Safeway took it over. But anyway, they used to have such like a good spot there, the parking lot, that one of my dad's friends parked his car over there to sell it, right? Put for sale, put the price, everything. One day we had such a bad windstorm that all the sand from the desert and everything just whipped around and just destroyed his car, broke the windshield. It was awful. So needless to say, I don't think he sold it.